Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. I'm Jamie, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of my FabFitFun seasonal box. I got it today, really excited about it. This is my third take of doing this video because I seem to mess it up every time. So hopefully I won't mess this one up, and let's just get through this. So if you guys don't know about FabFitFun, you should. I think you should. I'm an annual member. You can sign up a couple different ways. You can just get it seasonally. It's seasonal, so there's 4 boxes a year that come out. This box right here is their spring box, and it comes in a really cute box. Hold on. This is the box. It's cute packaging. They always have really cute packaging. Anyway, this comes, and if you buy it individually, it's like $49, but then there's a discount code. I have a discount code. I'll put it down below. You can use it to save yourself like $15 off your first box. I think that's what it is, $10 or $15 off. I do the seasonal or the annual subscription because you get a discount when you do it that way. And then a cool thing that they've just released like the last 2 years is that you can go in and select a good number of your products. So I think there's probably about 8 products that come in the box. And as an annual member, I actually get to select all the products in my box. So it's not really a surprise what comes to you, but I guess it's a surprise when you find out what the selection options are. But I do like to be able to select what I want. I think that that's a great feature of the box, so I'm happy about it. So let's roll through some of the things that I selected and I will tell you about them, and then we'll go over the overall value of everything at the end. So like I said, think that you're paying $50 for the box, and let's see what we got. So right out of the gate, the biggest thing that I got, the largest things, were these 2 items. So this is like a workout set. This ball, unfortunately, came deflated, but then I'm blowing it up and then it has a hole in it. I didn't even put a hole in it or anything. It just has a hole in it and it has already deflated. I've got to blow it up again and see if I can patch that hole. But this is a little workout set, and together you can do some cool yoga type workouts. You can download this app and you get a free month of using the app. And I think this is from the Gayam Yoga Studio Select. That's, if I'm reading that correctly, there's the brand right there. And like I said, you can do some cool resistance and toning, ultimate core toning kit stuff. And this is valued at $50. So that was the first product. Now I'm not going in any real order. I was just kind of going through the largest products first because they were at the top of my box. The next product I picked out was this like acrylic makeup holder. So like a makeup organizer. I see these all the time at like TJ Maxx. I actually see those toning kits at like TJ Maxx as well. This said its value is like $30. And I think I've picked these up in the past for like $5 or something. So I'm not giving it a $30 value. So this was a Sorbus Beauty Cosmetic Organizer. It looks like that on the box. And this, they're saying, was $30. So then we move on to the next product. I ended up getting this Favor spoon holder. So this goes by like your kitchen stove, and then when you stir things, you can put the spoons down in here so they don't get your counter dirty. I like these. I already have one. Happy to have another one, but they're valuing this at $30, and it's ceramic. It's nice. It's cute aesthetically, but I would not value this at $30. Once again, I'm gonna save $5. But when you're paying $50 for a box overall, you can think of like every product as being like a $7, you know, and then some of these products are gonna be worth a lot more, and obviously they hold more personal value to me. So let's go through some of the better ones out of here. So now we've gone through 3 different product groups, and now I think we have 4 more. So the next one is this Pharmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. This is a really great brand. They're sold at Sephora. This is a $45 value. A lot of people love this. It's clean skincare, and they have really cute packaging. I can understand. This was like torn when I got it, so I don't know. I can understand why it was torn though. This packaging is horrendous. I'm just getting into it, but I really love the fact that this is like magnetic and this little spatula sticks to it. Just the little things. The little things make me happy. But this is a really great moisturizer. It's really thick and hydrating. It's great for like dry skin because it has those ceramides in it, and really great for like healing dry skin. So this is great for winter skin. I'm happy to have this. I did try like a pharmacy kit the other day that had a bunch of different products and something wasn't treating my skin right. So we're gonna have to get to the bottom of it, but I'm hoping it was not this because I'm pretty excited about having this. And what cute packaging. It's like a little beehive and it's a honey halo, and great job, pharmacy. Good job on this. This is cool. So then moving into another skincare product that I love, I'm a big fan of. This is the Kate Summerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. I use this as like a face exfoliator in the shower. I love to have one of them in the shower. I exfoliate my face like every other day. And I really, really like this. It smells like a spa. It gives me a very spa-like feeling when I'm in there. So I really, really am happy about this. And this is a $98 product. Once I got hooked on this from other subscription boxes, I was like, yeah, I want that. And then I'm like, $98? No, no, no. So getting this, you know, in the box, just think this $98 value, I love it. Half price would be like $50, and I'm getting it as part of the box, and I just paid $50 for the box. Actually, I paid less because I signed up for the annual membership. So anyway, I really love this, and a long time lover. So this made like, and then the last two products are actually like grouped together as one product, and they're these Fenty Heat lip glosses. So you actually get two together. One is a brand new shade that just released called Lemon Lava. It doesn't taste like lemon at all. Neither one of these tastes like anything. I actually have the red one on right now. This is called Hot Cherry. It's actually like a pink, not so much a red, but these retail for $24 a piece, and they're just a really great formula. I have to tell you that they are really hot. So you put them on, and about 2 minutes, maybe 90 seconds later, your lips really start warming up, and they're like, feel like pretty much on fire for, it's not that bad. There's worse brands out there that really, really hurt your lips, like the Too Faced lip injections. These are much more mild than those. Oh, even the Milani Max Plumping lip glosses, whoo, I can't stand those. So this is like not as bad as that, but it's definitely a step up from like the Buxom ones. So just keep that in mind. But like, it's very generous that they gave us two of them. It's a great formula. There's 9 milliliters in both of these. So these are just a great value for the money. I mean, you just get more lip plumper than you get with all the other different brands. Just be wary of the fact that they're gonna light you up for a minute, but you can just get through it. It's not that bad, trust me. It's a pretty like thicker formula. So good things about that is it sticks around a little bit longer than other glosses. So I really like that. Bad things is you can kind of feel it on your lips a little bit more than you would with other glosses, but it's not sticky at all. It feels great. It's hydrating, a great formula, and I have nothing but good things to say about it. So all in all, with all these products, remember we've got this $30, this $45, the 2 lip glosses, total of $48. Then we have the blush, which was $43, this, which was $30. Then we have this little kit, remember, that together this was $50. And then the last product that I love the most is this Exfoliate. This is $98. So altogether, the value of my box was $344, and I paid under $50 for it. So I think it's a really great value. My favorite product out of the box is this, but I do like a lot of these, but some of them I'm like, I could just pass on like that, but that's okay. I can give it to my daughter, or I can keep it in this collection of makeup that I have on my desk. So I hope this was valuable for you. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me, and I will see you again soon. Bye.